Iran's IRGC destroyer in mission passes equator. Shahid Mahdavi destroyer. The Iranian IRGC destroyer, Shahid Mahdavi, passed the equator and entered the southern hemisphere of the Earth on Saturday. This is the IRGC's first long-range naval mission in terms of distance and type of mission, which is codenamed Nader Mahdavi. Shahid Mahdavi is an ocean liner destroyer that joined the IRGC naval fleet in early 2023. It weighs more than 2,100 tons, its length is 240 meters, and its width is 27 meters. The destroyer is equipped with advanced radars, including three-dimensional radar, and different missile systems including surface-to-surface, surface-to-air, and other advanced telecommunication systems. It was in early 2023 that two ballistic missiles with a range of nearly 1,700 kilometers were successfully fired from the destroyer toward the determined targets. The commander of IRGC Naval Force, Brigadier General Alireza Tangsiri, said the most important mission of the IRGC Navy in distant waters is to establish and maintain maritime sovereignty and ensure the security of shipping lines,